Is it your mum, Chester? I don't think she's just as excited to see you. Luna! 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 Your sister, Chester! Oh.
Not really, because we've been minded by him.
Too fast. He can't keep up with her. You can make him match Chester. We've got a problem. The tennis ball's popped. What are you going to do, Chester? Oh no. To get another one. Chester, you making sure I don't forget you? These are all my bags ready for the hospital. I don't think you want to go there though. These are to be left in the car. But are you making sure I don't forget to take you as well in the car today? Going back? Are you tired after playing with your mum and your sister last night?
Chester! There we are. You're looking out of your own window like your mum. You're in a good secure cage in the back there. Your mum doesn't like you travelling in the boot, does she? She prefers you in the middle of the car so you're extra safe. Okay, bye for now. See you when we see you. Bye. Bye, Chester. Bye, little man.
Chester's playing with the Everton football. Making good use of it. I think you're quite good, Chester.